just to show you something before you leave, I'll steal your 6 minutes, everyone. I'll steal your 6 minutes. If you can give me this 6 minutes, will save your 60 minutes in every month. 6 minutes, and now it is 5 minutes. Please see, I have all your names into my. Okay, I'll just type here some name in Excel. In Excel, and how do you extract the first name and last name? What is the method? How do you extract the first name and last name in Excel? If you get this names in the data set,
Using
anyone?
I think it's a
functions.
combination of
Text to
these.
column.
Text to columns, got it. All right, so here's a shortcut. Just type your name, just type your first name and press Ctrl E from a keyboard. Just type your last name and press Ctrl E from a keyboard. E for elephant. Ctrl E. I repeat, just type your name, first name, press Ctrl E. E for elephant. Just type your last name and press Ctrl E from a keyboard. Allow me. How do you convert this into uppercase? I think equal to upper. You can stop using that and you can start using Control E option. Just type the data in uppercase. Just type the data in uppercase without any formula or function and press Control E from a keyboard. If you don't like uppercase, you can type in lowercase like this, small case, and Control E. If you only want the first alphabet of every word, you can just type the first alphabet and press Control E from a keyboard. You'll get the first name everywhere. If you think the first last name should come first and the first name should come last, that means earlier it was Pavan Lalwani, now it has been Lalwani Pavan. Control E from a keyboard. E for elephant. If you want the initial alphabets of every word, first alphabet of every name, for example, Pavan Lalwani, it's PL. I can type as PL. If it is Seetal Sethi, it is SS. If it is Pramod Pawar, PP. So I want initial of first alphabet. What did I do? I just type as P space L, Control E. E for elephant. I know you all are busy. You might forget the shortcut. So I'll definitely give you the long cut method here. The long cut method is known as flash fill. When you press flash fill, you can see all the data would be there. And the last one, suppose I have joined your company. Pavan Lalwani has joined Wells Fargo and you want to create an email ID for them. So email ID would be like say pavan.lalwani at wellsfargo.com. 1 second. Rubina, चालू है बेटी 5 मिनट रुको. pavan.lalwani at wellsfargo.com and I can press Control E from my keyboard. Manager said, no, we don't do that. We do this way. Lalwani.p at wellsfargo.co.in. Whatever data you have, you use this Control E option. So what I'm trying to tell you, this kind of cleaning should be maximum done in Excel or in Power Query also, or in Power Query. Power Query is one more topic which is hidden at the back end. This is the Power Query topic. So person who knows Ltrex, he might understand. Who knows Ltrex, I'll tell you in your team. Tanmay knows Ltrex software. Ltrex is a ETL tool, data cleaning tool, and much more than that. So how to
Yes.
clean this data? Tanmay, I would suggest you to try for Power Query also. Power Query is one
Mm-hmm.
more software which will change. It's a game changing tool, I can say. Your life will change after you shift from Ltrex to Power Query. It's a free tool. It's inside Excel only here. Inside Excel.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that you
Thank
can
you.
use it. No problem. Yes. So this is one thing which I wanted to show, and that's it from mine. So tomorrow we'll see some more topics related to Tableau as well. And this kind of tricks I'll keep on showing you. Yes. Any questions before we leave?
Yeah, hi Pavan. Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah, sure. I can hear
I
you.
just had one question. So when we select the shapes and we selected a shape which we downloaded from the internet. So does that apply to that particular, that particular variable throughout the entire, throughout all the sheets that we create? So, for
Yes.
instance, if I go and create another sheet and I use profit status again,
Hmm.
and I try to, put that in shapes again, so will the same shape be assigned there, or is there any way that I can assign different shapes in that sheet?
Uh, if you change from here, let's say, let me try. If I change from here, apply, okay. All the sheets it's changing. All the sheets it's
Yeah.
changing. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So what you can do is you don't use this field profit status. You just duplicate this field and write as profit status
Okay.
2, profit status 3, and you can assign different shapes for them.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining, and I hope you learned something new. And in
Thank you
next
so
video,
much,
no
Pawan.
problem. Thank you,
Thanks.
man.